If you're dealing with nerve damage and looking for natural remedies to support your healing, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the top 5 best oils for nerve damage. Stay tuned to learn how these oils can help. Nerve damage, whether from injury, diabetes, or other conditions, can be incredibly painful and debilitating. Fortunately, certain oils have properties that can help soothe, repair, and support nerve health. Let's dive into the top 5 oils known for their benefits in managing nerve damage. First on our list is lavender oil. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with nerve damage. According to the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, lavender oil can also improve blood circulation, which is crucial for nerve repair. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil can also reduce anxiety and improve sleep, both of which are important for overall healing. To use, dilute a few drops in a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and massage it onto the affected area. Next up is peppermint oil. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which has cooling and analgesic effects that can provide immediate relief from nerve pain. The National Center for Biotechnology Information highlights its effectiveness in reducing pain and improving muscle function. It works by stimulating cold-sensitive receptors in the skin, which can help numb pain and reduce inflammation. Dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the painful areas for relief. Be cautious, as peppermint oil is potent and should be used sparingly to avoid skin irritation. Third, we have eucalyptus oil. Known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, eucalyptus oil can help reduce nerve pain and inflammation. The Journal of Medicinal Plants Studies notes its ability to relieve pain and promote healing. Eucalyptus oil contains compounds like eucalyptol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and boost circulation. Mix eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil and gently massage it onto the affected areas to feel its soothing effects. You can also add a few drops to a diffuser for aromatherapy benefits. Fourth is frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is prized for its neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce swelling and support nerve health, as reported by the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine. Frankincense has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to promote healing and reduce pain. Its compounds help modulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, making it beneficial for chronic pain conditions. Use frankincense oil by diluting it with a carrier oil and massaging it into the skin or diffusing it to inhale its therapeutic benefits. Last but not least, chamomile oil. Chamomile oil has strong anti-inflammatory and calming properties that can help reduce nerve pain and promote relaxation. The European Journal of Medical Research supports its use for pain relief and muscle relaxation. Chamomile contains compounds like apigenin, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Dilute chamomile oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected areas, or add a few drops to your bath for a soothing experience. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for sensitive skin. Incorporating these oils into your routine can provide natural relief from nerve damage. Remember to always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, to prevent skin irritation. Consistent use, combined with other treatments and a healthy lifestyle, can help improve your nerve health over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest health tips. Have you tried any of these oils for nerve pain? Share your experiences in the comments below. Stay healthy, and see you next time on Natural Healthy Care.